Hey guys, so a little while ago a lady on Instagram asked if she could send me some of her stuff, and I actually was following her page already and had like already seen it and loved it. So obviously I said yes because I was super excited, and it's from a brand called Twisted Allure. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So she sent me loads of stuff and it's amazing, like incredible. So this is a cute little box, all colourful and stuff. And I'm gonna show you what is in here. So some of this stuff, I'm not gonna lie, I don't have details on. I don't have the prices of anything and stuff, but I will put all the information for her down below, then you can see. So this is the little business card, and this is all the info on the back. So that's like the email, the Instagram, the Facebook, the Etsy, all that kind of stuff for you to go buy these things. Now she does different collections, so I've seen like a Beetlejuice collection, I've seen like an Easter collection, pretty sure there was a Halloween collection, like the film Halloween and stuff. So it's all different kinds of things, but it's absolutely amazing. So a little sample was actually stapled onto this, but I pulled it off. So this is called Ghostly Colada, and it's a little sample soap of their summer line. So obviously it being called Ghostly Colada, that makes you think of pina colada, which I love. It's like one of my favourite alcohol drinks ever. And this smells insane. Like just like pina colada, absolutely amazing. Literally don't even want to use it. I just want to keep it in this little bag to smell, which I know is weird. But I think I'm going to have to buy the full size stuff of this when she brings it out. If they do a body spray in this, I will be buying it because it's amazing. So that's our cute little sample that we got. Then the first thing I will show you is this. So this is their whipped sugar scrub, and it's called Slaughter Beach, which is really cool. And it says Blue Hawaiian on it, so I'm assuming maybe that's the scent that it's supposed to be. But look how cool this is. Slaughter Beach. It has like blood drips in there. Just even the packaging is amazing. And this is like a big tub as well. I don't think the prices are too bad. It is in America, so to get it over here is probably the most expensive part. But I've honestly never smelled anything like this. It's incredible. So this is what it looks like. It's super soft. And it smells like sour cherries, this one, I think. I'm assuming, like I said, Blue Hawaiian is maybe the scent that it's supposed to be, because Blue Hawaiian is a drink. But if you were asking me, I would just say that this smells of sour cherry. But it's absolutely such an amazing smell. Like, I've never smelled anything like it, honestly. So good. So that is our first one. Then next we have this little body butter, and it's called Death by Peeps, which is really cute. I'm assuming this is maybe from their Easter one, possibly. We don't actually have Peeps in England. I don't know if... Oh, I'm covered in like stuff. Yeah, we don't have Peeps in England. I don't know if Americans know that or not, but they don't make those here. But I know that Peeps are marshmallows though, so... This is Marshmallow Peeps scented, and it's a body butter, like I said. I don't think it has a colour. No, it's kind of just like a... I don't know, maybe it's like a light pink, very light pink, possibly. Smells, again, amazing. Like, pure marshmallow. So nice. And I actually tried a bit of this the other day. I'm not sure why the seal was on there, because I definitely took that off to try it, but this smell lasts like hours. I put a bit of this on my hand and it's so silky soft and amazing. Obviously you can't really see that, but super soft. But this smell lasts for absolutely ages. It's, oh my god, I just love the stuff. I'm literally, after making this video, gonna go buy like all the stuff that she has in stock. Her stuff does sell out really fast. She does restocks of the general items, I think maybe weekly or like pretty often, but if she's got a collection coming out like the Beetlejuice one and stuff, they sell out super fast. You have to be like on it, like you've got to know the day and the time that they come out, and you've got to be like there ready because they sell out. So just kind of a warning to you. Now this one is the most giant thing I've ever seen. Haven't opened this yet. Pretty sure it's a bath bomb though. I'm not sure what collection this was from, possibly like a Valentine's one or something because it's a heart shape, but I don't think it's got any info on here. No, it's just a huge bath bomb which looks amazing. It has like black glitter in there, look at that. That's so cool. So it's absolutely giant. Really heavy. I don't think I would even use this in just one bath. I think I might like cut this into half or quarter or something. Kind of reminding me a little bit of like a confetti cake right here, but obviously that black glitter, maybe it's black inside or something, I'm not sure. It looks exciting though. I'm not going to open it because it's going to crumble everywhere, but it looks amazing though. So that is a bath bomb. And then next we have a body spray, which is super exciting. This is from the Beetlejuice collection, like I keep going on about, and this one is called Lydia. So again, super cute packaging, and it says the scent is apple rose. Not sprayed this yet, but let's have a see. So it's like a pinky red colour. I'm not really wearing any perfume because I've got a cold. I can't really smell like as best as I should be able to. It does smell good though. It smells kind of like it, I mean, what it says is what it smells like. Apples and roses, I guess. It's like fresh apples, not like a fake apple, but like a fresh apple, and flowers at the same time. But it's very nice though. For some reason, like, I kind of get why this one is called Lydia. It does remind me of her. I was gonna say it makes me think of her, but like, out of all the characters, I would definitely put this scent with her, if that makes any sense. Very nice though, and very strong as well for a body spray. Like, it smells like it's gonna last. And then we've got two more things, so I'll show this one next. This one is called Violent Paradise, and this is another whipped sugar scrub in Tropical Exotic Grapefruit, and this is not showing up well enough on camera. It's honestly absolutely neon, so bright. It looks like marshmallow fluff, and it does just smell like grapefruit. It's amazing. Honestly, I wish it was showing up better. It's such a bright neon colour. But so cool though. Like, look at this. I just love the stuff. I don't know why. Like, the packaging, the colours, everything, the scent. Oh, I love it. Okay, so that is our next one. And then lastly, we have another bath bomb. And this is, I think, maybe the coolest bath bomb I've ever seen in my entire life. Might not even use this because I don't even know how they've made this. It's incredible. So this is the Beetlejuice bath bomb. It doesn't say like what scent it is or anything really, but I'll show you the back first. So this is what it looks like, and this is the front. Are you ready for this? Probably the best bath bomb you'll ever see, honestly. Are you ready? How amazing is that? It has like a hole in the plastic here, so that's what that is, but oh my god, like, what? How has that even been made? So detailed, actually crazy. Look at those teeth. Oh my god. Like I said, don't ever want to use this. Like, if this was a wall plaque, I would put this on my wall. It looks so cool, and it's sparkly and neon and amazing, and just like, I don't even understand how they've made it. I can't really smell it through here. Like I said, I don't really have a massive sense of smell right now with being ill, but it does smell maybe like a little more like manly than the other stuff. It's not like floral or whatever. It has more of like a manly scent, but it's so cute. Look at it. I love it. So yeah, that was everything that was sent to me from Twisted Allure. I absolutely love it. Like I said, gonna go buy some more stuff off them when I can, because I think in my whole life this is like the best bath stuff that I've ever had, honestly. Like, not even like they've not paid me or anything to say anything like this. I'm just being genuinely honest. This stuff is so cool, and the scents of these other things is insane. Such a strong scent, and even the textures of them, like this is so creamy and thick and like really moisturizing. This stuff, like I said before, is like a marshmallow fluff. I just love it. I don't even want to use it because I like it that much that I don't want it to go away. I know that's really sad, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to at some point. So that was everything from them. Like I said, I'll put the info down below. I hope you like this video. You'll have to let me know if you go and check them out and buy anything, because I'll be super jealous and I want to know what you've got. But yeah, thanks for watching anyway, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.